Tulina Masiko Onesimus on the 17th day of July 2025 at Kakumiro NRM House, Kakumiro Town Council in Kakumiro District. You assaulted Right Honorable Nabanja Robina, occasioning her actual bodily harm. So the accused person is remanded to Chiba Government Prison till 10th of September 2025.
State yagambire ngwensonga emyaka gyeitu nyo nyina 56 oli abaira ina 57 Moses abaira ina anana okutukwemera ina 38 ngu emyaka gyeitu mito tijje kusobora kuhabura oli ina 38 kugaruka omukooti kandi nekyakandi mututukurugo mu kyaro nicho kimu really nayo kujero leyo nsonga nti tumukuruga mu kyaro nicho kimu.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.